Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another very amazing video. Behind me I have a beautiful crate and I got something very cool in it. Now don't go Will Smithing on me because, you know, I'm a KTM guy, a Husqvarna guy, and I bought a Honda. Oh wow! Anyway, let's unbox this. I'm just kidding, it's right over there. I asked the Honda dealership if I could have the crate with the bag around it, but yeah, they're steel and wooden crates, they're goddamn heavy, and there's two of them in one crate. And I can't put it together myself because they can't give out any warranty. The dealer has to put it together itself. I did get the box cover, so that was pretty good for a thumbnail. Anyway, now look at this, guys. Brand spanking new Honda CRF110F. Ain't she a beauty? Yeah, PGI, fuel injection. We're living in the future, baby. Anyway, as you can tell, it is already a little bit dirty because I have been driving it around my own pit bike track in my backyard. I built for my kid. Let's start it up and do a quick lap. So now we got an ignition switch right over there. We got an electrical starter right over there. Front brake. And we got no clutch. Yeah. And we got a rear brake down there. So these new fuel injected CRFs, they've got 3 gears and you only get a shift up. So it's not 1 down, 4 up, it's just 3 up. Without a clutch. It's pretty fun. So you can learn your kid how to shift without using clutch just yet. Now don't ask me how much horsepower it has or what the fuel consumption is. I have no idea. I bought a new handlebar already. So the only problem I have is moving it because it is not road legal, and I tried putting it into the chimney and guess what? It didn't fit in the chimney whatsoever. And I almost poked my handlebar through the roof. So yeah, not a good idea. I should have measured it first. Anyway, as you can tell, the box is severely damaged yet again. Thanks DHL for always bringing my packages damaged. Oh, look at that. Ah, that's neat. Now that is some decent material. Look at that. This is a 7/8 Pro taper for the XR50 or CRF50. CRF50. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, they gave me stickers. Now, I'm not really sure who designed this, but the staples have gone right through the sticker. Gotta love some Honda red. Such a nice red. Now these little pit bikes, skids, dirt bikes, whatever you want to call it, do come at $2,500, $2,500. But I mean the quality, I already destroyed. I can't get it out anymore. These screws, these bolts are just terrible quality. These ones are fine. But these ones are, oh my god, it failed terribly. I mean, like Honda, come on. You guys make engines that run a freaking lifetime, but destroying a simple bolt might be my fault. I'm not really sure. But the quality of these bolts are pretty crap. Oh man, look at that. Totally annihilated that one. That escalated quickly, but I did get it out. Now be careful with these handlebars, because if you take them too large or too high, you gotta extend your cables. But as for this one, it's gonna work out perfect. Now this is what I call a cockpit. Look at that. Brap. So nice. Oh yeah, and I changed these crappy bolts with some good ones. Aren't these called hex nuts, hex bolts or something like that? I'm not sure. Job done. I like it. Picasso. Nah, that was dumb. Yeah, I didn't really think I needed this much gear just to fit a handlebar. Good job, Honda. Good job. Now that's the handlebar job done, and I am really pleased with the results. Gonna have to keep calm, stay away from it, because the grip glue has to dry up. I'm gonna rip it some more. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna grip it and rip it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments, did I do a good purchase or not? Should I have bought an electric KTM or Husqvarna? What do you guys think? The Honda CRF110F is legit, is the bomb. Let me know in the comments. See ya.